Well, hello and welcome to the channel. And today I will dive into an exciting world of finance and accounting. If you've ever wondered about the vibrant and challenging career of a chartered accountant, you are in the right place. Well, chartered accountancy is not just about numbers and balance sheets. It's a journey into the heart of business strategy, financial expertise, and ethical responsibility. Today I will explore what it takes to become a chartered accountant, the incredible opportunities it offers, and why it could be a perfect career path for you. So, whether you're a student dreaming of a career in finance, a professional seeking a career change, or just curious about what makes chartered accountants so essential in the business world, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on my latest content. Now, let's dive into the world of chartered accountancy and finance and discover the path of becoming a financial guru. A chartered accountant is an international accounting professional title granted to accounting professionals in many countries around the world. Aside from the United States, in the US, the equivalent to a CA designation is a certified public accountant, which is CPA. CAs were the first accountants to form a professional accounting body, initially established in Scotland in 1854. Now, individuals who choose a chartered accountant career offer financial advice to customers, ranging from individuals, small independent companies, multinational corporations, and public organizations. Now, individuals who choose a career as chartered accountant are required across various business organizations in the world, whether private or public firms. A professional CA is employed to manage an organization's account data, tax dues, and investments. Chartered accountants also help to settle conflicts and prevent bankruptcies also. Now let's understand types of chartered accountants. First is accountant, of course. An accountant is a professional who manages the accounts of a company. He or she is responsible for maintaining balance sheets, creating sales and cash flow reports, and administering payroll. Accountant work responsibilities include carrying out billing activities, managing budgets, and keeping inventory. Next comes actuary. Now, an actuary is also a finance professional. They contribute to the development of insurance policies. Now, an actuary analyzes all the financial costs of risk and uncertainty. An actuary would apply mathematics, statistics, and financial theory to determine the risk involved in all incoming potential events. Next comes the auditor. Now, an auditor is another type of finance career. They are responsible for ensuring the accuracy of financial records and financial information are in compliance with country and state laws. An auditor calculates tax owed and prepares tax returns. His or her work responsibilities involve calculating and evaluating the performance of accounting records and payment processes. Okay, let's talk about the future scope and why it is an important career field in years to come. Now, the job market for accountants and auditors is projected to grow about 4% between 2019 to 2029, which places them on a par with all the other occupations. According to US News Report and World Report's list of best businesses jobs 2021, accountant ranked number 13 because it has favorable salary, strong security measurements, and plays such as retirement benefits also. Now, I've done a lot of videos on other careers that have growth rate of over 10%, and some of them are in the range of 20 to 30% as well. And these are mostly in tech or healthcare industry. But CA accountancy career is also great, specifically if you're not much into the science field. Now, some of the potential career paths that you can get after working as a chartered accountant are actuary, finance managers, accountant, auditor, financial controller, chief financial officer, chartered management accountant, company secretary, and many more. Now, companies that offer jobs in these roles are definitely everywhere. Companies like Accenture, Genpact, Wipro, Amazon, or even small companies, they need some form of chartered accountants or accountants in general. Now, when we talk about an average salary of a chartered accountant role these days, in the job market for an entry-level job in India is about 4 lakh to 8 lakhs. The minor salary for freshers plus annual in India is in C is about 3 lakhs approximately. And somewhere in US is about 60,000 to 80,000 US dollars. And if with more experience, you can earn more salary for sure. Okay, now let's know what skills, job responsibilities are required for this role and what is an ideal workday for this profession looks like. Now, as far as skills are concerned, you need the following few for sure. Number one is computing ability. Now, in CA course, numbers are said to be students' best friends. Accuracy and pace in mathematics in general help tremendously. The calculator is their reliable companion. Next comes communication skills. Now, communication skills are very important because you need to communicate with clients for various sectors, provide tailored services according to the unique requirements during the course of the internships or even in your job. So this requires good communication skills for CA students. Next comes the analytical skills. Now, in case of chartered accountant qualification, analytical skills are very important. CA basically talks about developing these technical qualifications during the period of the articleship and develop analytical skills when working on practical examples also. Next is accountancy and technical skills. So experience with journal accountancy function on top of that, excellent knowledge of accounting regulations and procedures, including the journal law around it, could come in handy for effective practice. Apart from mathematical and analytical skills, one should have good technological knowledge also for basic computer working as well as advanced Excel skills, including VLOOPs and pivotal tables, financial and accounting softwares, and websites. Knowledge of these are super important. Other basic skills can include financial law knowledge, resilience and adaptability, attention to detail and accuracy, very important. Observational skills, business awareness, leadership skills, team building, research skills, creative and logical thinking. Now let's talk about what exactly a chartered accountant does. Now, even with wide degree of variance in different duties and chartered accountant skills required by different positions, you will find most of the following responsibilities in a typical chartered accountant job description. Now, some responsibilities of a chartered accountant include overseeing the duties of accounting team, important, reconciling income statements, ensuring compliance with state revenue service, implement accounting systems and processes, prepare monthly financial reports, control the master data of the general register, and review and release online banking payments as well. Some of the other responsibilities can be to provide ongoing accounting and reporting support, manage the full-time financial process, prepare an expense budget report, reinforcing financial data confidentiality, and conduct database backups when necessary, and comply with financial policies and regulations and handle sensitive information in a confidential manner. Now, this role definitely demands a lot from a person, and everyone needs a specific skill set for it. So let's work on finding out how to acquire these skills in my next section. Okay, so if you are exploring this career option, make sure to get some knowledge in the field early through online research, online courses, and build your skill set in this area as mentioned in the previous section. Now make sure to develop those skills to be successful in this field. Super important. Okay, becoming a trusted chartered accountant takes a lot of preparation. Here's how to get started. To begin with, undergraduate students, when an undergraduate student is absolutely sure they want to pursue chartered accountancy as their career, of course, you need to earn a degree. Although you can obtain an associate degree for accounting, a bachelor's degree generally looks better to prospective employers. Now, BCom in accounting and finance, accounting and taxation, accountancy, they are good. Chartered accountant subjects comprise different practical fields like finance, accounting, management, consulting, restructuring, forensic accounting, taxing, insurance, and corporate finance. A chartered accountant qualification requires successful completion of chartered accountancy certification program from ICAE. I'm going to talk about the whole process a little later. Now, even a business degree in accounting or finance can serve the purpose of providing general knowledge on the subjects. You can also start by exploring a couple of month-long introductory courses and online courses like Coursera. And I've given you some links in the description box to check these out. Now, these courses will give you basic knowledge of what you will be studying in detail in college and will help you solidify that decision further. Now, given that it's one of the most popular fields at this time, a lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be in an accountant or finance role. Now, some such universities that have world-class programs, of course, Harvard University, University of Cambridge, Oxford, University of Chicago, London School of Economics, University of Melbourne, HKUST, University of Hong Kong, and many, many more such universities. Now, moving on to postgraduates. Now, beginning into this career, I would advise getting an advanced degree too. Though not necessarily required, it may even solidify your accountancy knowledge in general. So it is a good idea to do an advanced degree. Now, some universities and colleges, they offer a 5-year combined bachelor's and master's degree program. Now, on top of that, you can also take the certified public accountant exams also. They're called different in different countries. Like in India, you can start by giving the CA, which is Chartered Accountancy Exam, conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or the CFA exam, which is the 3-part exam for testing your fundamentals in investment tools, valuing assets, portfolio management, and wealth planning. It could be the CPA exam. And in America, the CPA exam is a 4-part exam issued by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Now, although again, not necessary, these exams give you a solid background in field for easy professional growth. And in some places, you need to have these certification. Once you get these certification, you're eligible to practice through some firms or on your own as well. Now, for professionals, if you are in the similar field and want to make a switch, gain some knowledge through smaller internships to understand the field and general responsibilities. Many accountancy firms will prefer candidates who have relevant work experience, whether that's vacation placements, work experience weeks, or even shadowing for that matter. Slowly and steadily start building a background with initial smaller courses, preferred masters, and then later through entry-level jobs or internships to gain experience. I would also like to highlight a complete roadmap for a school student to become a CA in India through ICAI. Here's a step-by-step guide. Now, once you clear your 12th grade, you need to start registering and for CLEAT examination. So this is a foundation course. So after completing 12th grade, you can register for a CA foundation course with ICAI. The foundation course is the entry-level examination for the CA program. The CA foundation exam is conducted twice a year in May and November. It consists of 4 papers covering subjects like accounting, business laws, business mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics. Next is to register for CA intermediary course. Now, after passing the foundation exam, the next step is to register for a CA intermediary course. Students who have graduated or completed post-graduation in commerce with at least 55% marks or in other streams with 60% marks can directly register for the intermediary course by passing the foundation level also. Now, next is to complete IT and orientation training. Now, before commencing practical training, student must complete information technology and orientation training as well. Number 4 is to then go and undertake practical training. Now, after registering for intermediary course and completing IT and orientation training, students must undergo 3 years of practical training under a practicing chartered accountant. This training is crucial as it provides hands-on experience in the field. Now, then is to clear the CA intermediary exam. The intermediate exam also takes place twice a year and comprises of 8 papers divided into 2 groups. Students can choose to appear for one or both group at a time. Next is to register for CA final exams or final course. So after passing both groups of intermediate exam, register for CA final course. The final course is the last level of chartered accountancy course. Then you must complete advanced IT and management training. Now, before appearing for the final exam, students must complete advanced information technology and management communication training as well. This is also the part of the program. Next, you must clear the CA final exam, of course. Now, the final exam conducted twice a year consists of 8 papers divided into 2 groups. Passing the final exam is the last academic step towards becoming a CA. The next step is to complete the articleship. The 3-year articleship must be completed, which includes the practical training done after the intermediary course as well. Now, the last step is to enroll as a member of ICAI. So after passing the final exam and successfully completing the practical training, you can enroll as member of ICAI. Upon enrollment, you are officially designated as chartered accountant. Now, throughout this process, maintaining perseverance, dedication, and a keen interest in the subject matter is crucial, super important. The path to becoming a CA in India is demanding, but it offers a rewarding and respected career in finance and accounting for sure. Alright, so that's it guys. If you think you're intrigued by the role of accountant and the data duties it entails, chartered accountancy is definitely a bright field and is for you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and remember, I'm with you, for you on this amazing journey to build your best career and your best life. I'll be back with amazing videos on career, college admission, and building your best life. I will see you very soon. Bye.